ISA President Keith Wellington says the funds raised from bleachers tickets on Wednesday's second day of this year's Boys and Girls Championships will go directly to schools that were badly affected by Hurricane Melissa last October. Wellington also indicated that more than 25 of the 40 schools that were impacted by the Category 5 hurricane will be competing at champs from March 24 to 28.
We should use that opportunity as a country to provide whatever support we can to these schools who have made the effort to rise again. And so, at ISA, we have decided that the funds raised from whatever tickets that are sold for the bleachers will go towards the direct contribution of ISA to the Western schools.
Wellington was speaking a short while ago at the launch of the ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships at the National Arena. The finals of the 100 meters and the 1500 meters for all classes, as well as the Class 1 boys long jump and Class 1 girls discus, will be contested on Wednesday's second day of the championships.